Hi, I'm making a video of how I use my screen recorder. So this might be a little awkward because I'm using one, a different recorder than I'm used to, and two, I'm trying to take a recording of a recorder. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is the recorder I typically use. apowersoft.com free online screen recorder. Works really well. You do have to do a little download, but it doesn't take very much space, and it's very easy to use. So I just have it bookmarked as record. Click start recording and it'll launch the application. Sometimes it comes with a little pop-up here that I have to allow. And once it pops up, it did it on the other screen. It looks like this. So now I have options. I can either do the screen or I can do web camera. Come back. Let's see. Which I can't move onto your screen. So it's stuck on my dominant screen. I have two, so I can't get it onto the video, but I promise there is a picture of me on the computer now. So switching it back, I can do instead screen, and then I get this interface, and this moves it around. Or I can do full screen, which is what I usually do, and that way I don't have to worry about it. So you can start recording. Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. And now it should do a little recording, and this little recording box pops up. Looks like this. So I can hit pause, and now it's just paused and not ready. So I can either delete it and start over, or I can hit OK and be done with the video. So let's say that that was good enough video and I'm okay with it. It'll get to this. I'm going to pause it. And now I have this little upload button. So I have options. I can put it on their server. I can upload it to Google Drive or Dropbox. And what I usually do is upload to YouTube. And so that'll open YouTube so I can drag and drop. And then if you get this out of the way, the interface tells me where it saved the file. So if I just select this, it will open this and show me exactly where the file is saved. And then I can just drag and drop that into YouTube. So let me just do half screen and half YouTube. So now I can just take this and drop it into YouTube. And it uploads, depending on my connection and my upload download. It could take quite a while. This is a 6-second video, so hopefully it goes very fast. So now here I would name it, put a description, and then I want to talk about the privacy settings. So all my videos are public. There's two other options. There's unlisted and there's private. So, and then they're scheduled if you want to like have a release date and do a premiere, which is up here. If you're a vlogger, then that might come up. But mine are public, anybody can get to them. Unlisted means that only people that you share the link with can get to them, so that's a good idea for our class. If you're just trying to give us alone the video, then this is a way to do that, and it won't show up on your YouTube and nobody else can get to it. And then private is only for you, so nobody else can see it except you. So private is not the way to go if you're trying to share it with your classmates. So you probably want unlisted, unless you're really proud of your video and you want to make it public. You probably want unlisted. Then you would just go ahead and hit done. And it will, I might as well because this is unlisted, it will create this little short code to it. And you can also hit the embed code. So you don't have to be able to read this, just copy it. And then go to some discussion in our class, like this one. And I want to make a reply. So I'm going to go to HTML editor up here in the corner. And I'm just going to paste that code. Now, I have not confirmed that a student would have access to this, so if you do not, then you can always go to the YouTube button, and then that can be a little bit more difficult because this share doesn't always work because it's the short email, or the short URL for it. So let's try it. Yeah, I can't find it, so, okay. Another way to do that is to just go directly to the video. So I can take this and paste it up here. Okay, so now this longer video should work. Pause. So this not longer video, this longer URL should work. Let's try that. And YouTube, and embed that. And it may not be working because it's set to private. So assuming that I can't get any of that to work, what I can do is put in the link. And now it's linked. And now I'm going to hit post reply. I'll delete this in a minute. And if I select the link, it should take me directly to the YouTube video that I created. Okay, so hopefully